Virtual Christmas parties are fast becoming the new standard for businesses with remote workers. With everybody being so busy, the chances of everyone getting together in the same room are slim. That's why virtual celebrations are growing in popularity. They're easier to organise and don't require participants to spend money on travel, accommodation and food. So how do you plan an epic virtual Christmas party? It's not as difficult as you think. As long as you're willing to put in a little effort, you can throw a great party that will leave them all feeling merry until the new year. When setting the date and time, make it shorter than you would for an in-person party. This is because people tend to fatigue quicker in the online setting. Try for 2 to 3 hours for activities, then another 30 minutes or so for free-flowing conversations afterwards. When sending out the invitation, set out any requirements such as the software or app to be used, including any special features that people should be familiar with, such as the use of annotations, breakout rooms, screen sharing, or whiteboard in preparation for activities. The link for joining. Expectations that cameras are to be on for the duration. A general timeline such as start and finish times, when activities will take place, time for meals together, and breaks when cameras can be turned off while people refresh. Like any good host, you should provide food and beverages to your attendees. Send each participant an Uber Eats or similar voucher prior so they can order the food and drinks of their choice to be delivered to their home. Alternatively, have a hamper overflowing with decadent snacks and treats delivered to their doorstep on the day for maximum surprise and delight. Like any great Christmas party, consider theming it. Not only can people wear fancy dress, but also give them the option of using funny filters and backgrounds to suit the theme if the platform permits. You may also choose to give them the option of changing their profile display name to a nickname or altering their name in some way to suit the theme. Search for Airbnb virtual experiences and you'll find a huge variety of online activities that you can do virtually. They even have a special Great for Groups section. Choose from activities like drink and draw, virtual escape rooms, learn to cook, boozy drag queen bingo, magic shows and lessons, and much, much more. These activities are usually charged at a per person cost, and some have the ability for you to request a closed group for just your attendees. Get in touch with the host well ahead of time to discuss your specific requirements. Or if the budget won't stretch that far, take a look anyway. You may be inspired to set up a similar activity on your own, like a virtual dance class. In virtual scavenger hunts, players rush to find items or satisfy challenges before time runs out. Think of items that are available in all homes but not necessarily quick to locate. For example, you might ask people to collect items like an egg beater, an umbrella and a ball, with the first to retrieve them winning points or a prize. These games are designed to be enjoyable, energetic and encourage participation. Ask attendees to send the organiser a childhood photo ahead of time, then share them online during your party. When revealing who the photos are of, ask the relevant person to share some background to the photo. These photos are usually the source of some great stories. It's an excellent way to get to know each other better. Team trivia. You can prepare a list of questions and answers for this game or find pre-made ones online. Split up attendees into teams and assign each a breakout room. Whenever you ask a question, broadcast it to the groups in their breakout rooms. The team that comes back with the correct answer first wins the round. Put in extra effort and create an online quiz specific to your attendees. Ask participants ahead of time to share with the organiser some unusual facts about themselves, and then challenge your attendees to guess who the clue is about. You might ask questions like, what is your dream car? What website do you visit most often? What is your favourite all-time movie? Favourite song? Etc. This is great for initiating the sharing of personal anecdotes and facilitates team building through the sharing of personal information. Karaoke. Perhaps this is best left to the latter part of the party and open to volunteers. Do not make people do this if they are uncomfortable. Just like in the club, people can put their name down to give it a go. Then just get them to find a song on YouTube by searching for the song title and karaoke afterwards, and then they share their screen as they belt it out. Hold your own dance party using this method. Find a live stream DJ on Twitch so it sounds as good as possible for everyone. Everyone mutes and opens the same Twitch stream in a web browser. The music will play directly on participants' computers, allowing them to turn it up as loud as they want. Make sure everyone has their cameras on and set to gallery view for the best atmosphere. Have a talent show. This is great for team building. Group participants into teams ahead of time and ask them to prepare an act that they will perform at the Christmas party. Don't place restrictions, let everyone use their imagination. Ideas include singing, dancing, mime, stand-up comedy, skits and impersonations. Award points or prizes for the team voted the best. Have a pet show. Who doesn't love showing off their furry friends? Have a segment of your Christmas party as a pet show where people get the opportunity to show off their animals. They might dress them up according to the theme, show off some cool tricks, or simply introduce them to other attendees. This is a great activity to encourage more introverted people out of their shell without making them feel too self-conscious. Here's some prize ideas. As well as the obvious prizes like vouchers, think outside of the box about other rewards that people might value. For the workplace, offer things like finishing early, a sleep-in day, a free day off, an extra long lunch, a coffee with the CEO, a donation to the charity of their choice, something special in the stationery order, or free parking for the week. Anything that can be perceived as a desirable treat. Best of all, they may not even cost any money, such as giving away an extra long lunch break. The recipient values it, but it does not cost the organisation anything. Planning an epic virtual Christmas party can seem like a lot of work, but it doesn't have to be. By using some of these ideas, you'll easily be able to throw a successful party that is enjoyable for everyone, regardless of where they're located. Get everyone involved, organise it yourself to personalise it as much as possible to the attendees, and keep it simple. The best activities are those that are easily understood and open to participation by all, no matter where they are located in the world.